ang ikapitong panalo itong Benilde Blazers. As we see our referees that will officiate this game, and Benilde Blazers will have the first crack at the basket. Coach, magandang umaga sa iyo again. Coach Ralph Rivera ang kasama natin ngayon at the panel. My name is Nico Wahe. At the court side will be Christine San Agustin. Kanina pinag-uusapan natin how dominant itong Benilde Blazers sa season 100 natin.
Yes, maaga pa lang pinupuntahan na kaagad nila si Liwag, no? Kita natin, nakaka-attract kasi siya ng defense eh.
Almost a turnover for Benilde. Maagang maingay ang fans ng Benilde Blazers as they scored the first 3 of the game, but Binoya will try to answer.
Maagang tira kagad ni Binoya yon. Gusto agad na bilisan talaga yung game.
Ang aga kong nabingi, Coach Ralph.
Ang daming nanonood.
Second possession for Benilde Blazers. A steal here by Arellano.
Good defense by the Chiefs.
They will run. Binoya sidesteps. Misses.
Second consecutive miss by Binoya. Pero alam naman natin, kailangan talaga mag-produce ni Binoya if they want to get a win today.
Last game, Binoya only had 4 points against the Mapua Cardinals.
Mababa yan. Mababa yan. Malaki ang expectation natin kay Binoya in today's game.
You know how much of a scorer itong si Binoya. Arellano has the possession. Binigay sa ilalim. Fakes. Libang. Mintis mo.
Kailang eh. If si Liwag naman talagang nasa harap mo, mag-iiba tira mo.
Now Ancheta, the hero of that last game against the Golden Stags.
Si Ancheta talagang pag-winning time, malaking bagay ang dinadala niya sa game eh.
And right now, we will hear a report, the first report of Christine San Agustin. Christine, ano yan?
Thank you, Nico. First, let us head to the Arellano side because one of their top scorers and rookie wonders, Renzo Abiera, shared that he actually has a lingering left knee injury which started during the beginning of the season. And when he disclosed earlier, the pain today is at an 8 out of 10. Kaya't ang sabi niya, siya ay magdadahan-dahan daw muna para hindi na to mas lumala pa. Meanwhile, the top scorer from the Blazers, as mentioned earlier during their last game, Tony Inot, will be playing today as he currently has the flu, so he chose to recover to come back stronger. Yan muna ang mga update para sa magkabilang teams. Back to you guys.
Maraming salamat, Christine. You heard that, guys. Inot is not here because of flu.
That's a big loss for the Benilde Blazers. Mahirap. Malaki ang dapat i-fill in ng mga kaposisyon ni Inot.
That's a 17-point production ang mawawala sa araw na to.
Yes, and last game, 23 points yan.
And alam naman natin kung gaano karami ang backup nitong si Coach Charles Chu when it comes to scoring. Hindi mawawalan.
Yes, ang dami niyan. Sabi ko nga yung Kometa, malaking bagay kagaya. Yung Kahukom, nakita naman natin, Finners 5 na yun si Kahukom. Pero yung energy kasi na binibigay ni Inot, yun ang mahirap palitan.
As the Chiefs still 0.
Medyo nararamdaman nata nila yung pressure against St. Benilde.
Marami naman fans yung Arellano, pero ibang klase yung ingay nitong Benilde Blazers. As Valencia, 0 out of 2.
Daming opportunities na napapakawalan ng Arellano Chiefs for the ilang minutes ng game na ngayon.
Ondoa will be called for a backcourt violation. He's telling the referees may tulak.
Good thing, marami pa rin na nakukuhang stop si Arellano. Yung 3 points na yung first basket coming from Doha, medyo tough shot yon. Kailangan talaga i-focus na ng Arellano ngayon yung defense sila eh. Parang nasa dulo rin sila ng mga points allowed. 80 points ang ina-allow nila per game. Kailangan maibaba nila for today's game.
5 to shoot for Binoya. Steal by Blazers. Ancheta, tatakbo na rito. Gives it to the right. And Kahukom scores again.
Grabe yung vision ng Ancheta. Ang bilis nun, nakita pa rin niya yung butas na yon.
Arellano still finding the first point and Valencia gives it to them.
Yes, naputas na. Baka magtuloy-tuloy na yan.
Ito rin ang isang missing link on their last game. Si Basti Valencia only scored how many? for Valencia last game. 1 point for
malaking
Basti.
factor yan. No? Alam naman natin, high-scoring player to si Basti.
The lob.
Yes.
The turnover.
Narid yung alley-oop pass na yon.
Here's the attack of Arellano. Valencia again with the ball against Ondoa. Binoya will offer a pick.
If Kapulong is not inside, Valencia and Binoya should be aggressive. Should be more aggressive.
2 misses for Arellano. It was stopped from behind by one of the Chiefs.
Yes. That's a gamble kasi for a big to bring down the ball, that's a big gamble.
Geronimo scoring for Arellano.
It's the first deadlock of the game.
Eusebio from the 3. Anong tawag? Holding foul. This is the attack of Benil. Kahukom scoring on that, and ito naman sa kabila, yung Arellano, as we will have a timeout here. Marami pang aksyon. Magbabalik ang NCAA Season 100.
Medina from the baseline. Kala ko short. Hindi diretso yung follow-through. Medina. Zone to. Naka 1-3-1 ngayon ang San Sebastian. Trying to get into their zone offense. JRU wants to get that shooter loading on the corner. Wow, Raimundo staring down Risho. And a chance to complete the 3.
Let's take a look first. Our Tropa Cam. Sabi natin, Coach, napakaingay ang aga-aga. First quarter pa lang, oh. 4 na minuto pa lang ang nauubos sa first quarter, pero ang ingay na dahil kasama ang tropa.
Punong-puno ang tropa today dito sa Philoil.
Napakaingay naman. Sea of green na nakikita natin.
Alam hirap magkarinigan. Ang ingay talaga. Ang dami. Ang saya-saya ng atmosphere.
Ganyan lang tropa. Maingay. Mas masaya pag mananalo. Diba? As we see here, the Arellano Prep Squad. Coach, kanina, Benil started strong with a 5-0 run. Arellano answered back with a 5-0 also as Liwag scored off an inbound.
Expect dapat nila yun. Every time na mag-i-inbound at si Liwag ang nasa gitna, they will throw an alley-oop.
Binoya still scoreless in this game. Will try to attack, bombs, and misses.
Magandang matchup tong anong to eh. Binoya versus Eusebio. Alam naman natin, ito yung mga malalaki na 4 na nakaka-stretch, kaya nakaka-dribble, and nakaka-finish sa basket. So ito yung matchup na pwede rin nating tingnan. Kaya sinasabi ko sa iyo, Nico, ito yung team na akala natin nasa dulo, pero ang materyales niya kayang sumabay sa CSP. They have Kapulong against Liwag. They have Binoya against Eusebio. Valencia versus Sanchez.
Yes.
Sayang nga si Inot tsaka Ungotan. Yun ang magandang matchup din na dapat nating abangan eh.
And let's see how will they cancel each other out sa larong ito. As Binoya makes that second one. 7-6 ang score natin. Almost halfway through sa ating first quarter. Ancheta gives to the right. Balik sa gitna. Swings to the left now. Liwag sa gitna. Natapikan na naman sa dulo. Almost a turnover, Coach, for CSB Blazers. Coach, kanina pa natin, I think, 3 turnovers na itong Benil Blazers for this first quarter.
Yes, alam ng Arellano, if they want to get the win today, kailangan maging pesky sila eh. They need to be more aggressive. They need to be makulit. Kailangan nila maging makulit today.
And another turnover para rito sa Blazers. Coach, despite being number 1 in the team standings, number 1 rin sila, Coach, sa pagtatapon ng bola. Number 1 in turnovers with 17.7.
Correct. Pwede rin kasi maging factor yung gumagamit si Coach Charles ngayon ng mga ano, even sa yung third rotation niya na players ginagamit niya. Kaya kita naman natin yung last game nila, umabot na ng 20 plus points ang lamang nila. Kaya nakapag-rotate sila. So malaking factor din yun. Ang minutes lang na talagang humahaba rito sa kanila is Liwag.
It's about finding the right players, right combination. And may leeway itong si Coach Charles. He has Benoya, Mintes, all board there. But rebound once again by Arellano. 9 to work with. Basti got the ball. Basti fakes.
Nice move.
Spins and
Up and under.
scores.
Nice move. Ganda nun.
Basti Valencia, the scorer he is. Yun
It's
yung
very creative no?
Yun yung hinahanap nung nakaraan para rito kay Basti. A bounce back game possibly for Basti. Liwag. Cross court to Kahukom. Mintes. But Liwag gets the rebound.
Yes, nakita natin pinupuntahan ng CSB si Liwag pero naka-ready si Arellano. Nandun kagad yung help
Another turnover. Basti stops and misses. But Liwag is there to clear up
Right
the mess.
place at the right time, no? Ang ganda ng ginawa ni Libang doon. Hindi siya nag-relax.
With 4 minutes left in the first quarter, Arellano up by 3 here. Almost another turnover. Ancheta, 10 to work with. Gives it underneath to Liwag.
Yes. Umupunta talaga sila kay Liwag
Ancheta swings to the left. Kahukom sa kabila titira. Mintis na naman doon. Ang bola mananatili. Third try para rito sa Benilde. Another turnover. Geronimo. Mintes. But Libang once again.
Yes,
cleaning up the
another
mess.
putback. Another putback by Libang. Ginagawa talaga niya yung role niya no? Misa ka lang bigyan ng opportunity. Take chance mo na yan.
What a first quarter for Arellano. Asanko misses from the long range. Another rebound for Arellano.
Medyo nagbubuluhan ngayon ng ang Benilde sa ginagawang defense ng ng Arellano. Hindi mo alam kung zone or man.
Valencia, crossover. Valencia once again!
Lobay. Binlobay niya ngayon si Sanchez. That's 7th point of Valencia.
And that's how you do a transition defense. Valencia, look at that spin. The fake. And the scoop. Basti Valencia. Scoring in this first quarter as we will have another timeout. Lamang ang Arellano, 14-7. Magbabalik ang NCAA Season 100. The shoot gives it to Montaño. To the corner, Guadagna. Fourth to shoot. Guadagna fires a jumper. It's good! Maclad Guadagna. Arellano will try once again. 5 seconds. Basti Valencia from the tree. No good. And now PU Pirates survives another close game in this NCAA Season 100, winning this game again. It's a 9-2 run for the Arellano Chiefs, led by this guy, Basti Valencia.
I told you, Nico, this will be an exciting game. Kalimutan niyo muna yung team standing. Magiging maraming ibibigay talaga ang Arellano for today's game. That is Libang. Dalawa kagad yan over Liwag, no?
Arellano, coach, is really a team na maganda palagi ang simula.
Yes.
It's about the closing out nitong mga batang ito.
Correct. Actually, yun naman yung challenge sa kanila every game. Pero malay mo, kung kaya nilang spread out kagad yung lead, bakit hindi, di ba?
And for Coach Charles' team, let's see kung paano nila re-resolbahin itong mga turnover nila early in this game. As they inserted Torres and Justin Sanchez. As Justin, nagpakilala kaagad sa mga taga-Arellano.
Ang ganda ng basa ng mga coaches doon sa ginawang play kagad ng Benilde. Alam mo, may binibigay na ibang depensa to si Arellano, nakapag-adjust kagad sila doon.
Valencia, siya na naman dito. Valencia scoop shot and he was fouled going up.
Iba yung aggressiveness ni Valencia today. Alam mo, gusto talaga niyang manalo.
As you see this last play for Justin Sanchez.
Sayang, Nico, hindi nag-abot yung Kapulong at Liwag. No? Ngayon, nasa bench si Liwag. Pinasok naman ngayon si Kapulong. Pero mamaya, magtatagpo rin yan. Yun yung ina-expect ko Doon ako excited
And that's gonna be a giant battle. Mamaya, tingnan natin kung magkakatagpo yan. Malamang sa malamang naman yan, coach. As Valencia sinking his first throw. 2 minutes, 27 seconds remaining in this first quarter. Arellano up here, 15-9 as Valencia misses on that second one.
Pero may 8 points na kagad si Valencia.
Kahukom stops, gives it to Sanchez. Sanko short-handed. Pero may ang bola mananatili dito sa Blazers.
Ganda ng defense na ginagawa ng Arellano. Every time na may bola dyan sa paint, alam mong nagko-collapse lahat. Napakasikip.
Coach, to remind everyone, 10 ang rookies nitong Arellano.
Yes. Oh, challenge talaga yan kay Coach Chico Manabat.
Hindi mo ang 10 rookie naglalaro rito. Justin Sanchez missing. Asanko. Oh no. That's Turco.
May hirapan ngayon. Magkaroon ng switch dito sa ibabaw ng 3-point line. Sanchez, Kapulong. May hirapan si Kapulong dito. Dapat kung sa Arellano side, ayaw mo yung matchup na yon. Hindi kayo pupunta sa switch na yon.
And on the rebound play, shooting foul pala. Kapulong ang tatawagan doon. And we're talking about itong foul trouble lagi na si Lawrence Kapulong. Kakailanganin siya hanggang dulo, Coach.
Oh, yun yung isa nagiging weakness ni Kapulong actually. Yung unang-una, yung resistensya niya. Pangalawa, yung foul trouble lagi siya pagdating ng end game. Minsan mapipigilan yung laro mo eh. Hindi ka makagalaw ng komportable ka pagka nasa foul trouble ka.
Yeah, when your team needed you most, wala ka. Talagang frustrating yon. Para rito kay Lawrence Kapulong as Turco will have his second shot from the charity stripes and he makes it. Unti-unting napupuno itong Phil Oil Eco Oil Center as Arellano will have the possession. Ungotan with a looper is good.
Ang galing mag-breakdown talaga ni Ungotan eh. Talagang makikita niyo yung mga butas inside the lane. Papasukin talaga to ni Ungotan.
Yung mga small changing face si Ungotan niya. Sanko gives it to the middle. Kapulong once again. Read the offense.
Grabe yung drum na yun. Iba talaga pag lumipad to si Hernal eh. Minsan nililipat niya pa yan sa kaliwa eh.
Laging lumilipad yan itong si Hernal as we see. This attack by Ungotan.
Pull up by Ungotan.
Mahirap yun, ha? And a steal, another turnover for Benil Blazers as Hernal finishes with the right hand.
Sipin mo si nagkabaliktad actually. Kapulong getting the steal. Finish ni Hernal ngayon.
Bonus is no good. Largest lead for Arellano. 8 points. Torres gives it to the corner. Pinigay na naman sa gitna. Sanko.
Traveling. Malinaw na travel yon. Hindi komportable ang Blazers sa ginagawang zone defense.
Masikip
ng
masyado.
Arellano. Yes. Maaga kasi kagad nilang inaatake. Ang zone, hindi mo kagad ma-break yan ng isang pasa lang eh. Yun nga lang. Sayang yung stop nilang yun. Oh.
Mula sa labas, Mintes as Justin Sanchez gets another rebound. Cometa from the corner. No good. Too many chances for Benil.
Okay, but ang ganda lang ng aggressiveness na pinakikita ngayon ng Benil compared do sa early part ng first quarter.
As Arellano with under a minute remaining sa ating first quarter, up by 8. Abiera, the best player of their last game, was blocked by Sanko, but may foul daw.
Oh, akala ko malinis, pero siguro may nakita yung referee sa kamay na yon.
Pinangatan ni Sanko, pero kasama daw yung braso. Let's see here. Meron. Dumikit. Mga one step late itong si Sanko.
Tatlong balahibo.
Paano mo nabilang yung coach?
Ilaw eh.
As we see, Renz Abiera.
Gandang ginawa doon ni Abiera. No? Nakita niya merong mismatch, slower sa kanya, take advantage agad. So kasi pasisimplihin mo lang ang basketball eh. No? Hindi mo kailangan tumawag ng maraming play. Kung meron ka kagad mismatches, atakihin mo kagad yung mismatch na yun.
Abiera now. Scoring. That's his first point, right?
Last game, ganda na nilaro nito.
Let's see if he can follow it up with another good performance.
Yes, Abiera scored 18 points. Career high niya last game. Tingnan natin kung malalagpasan niya pa today.
Sanchez, almost a turnover for Benil. Gives it to Morales now to the right side. Underneath. Agaw na naman ng Arellano.
Nag-work talaga yung zone ng ginagawa ng Arellano.
Kamay. Directing traffic. 20 seconds sa ating game clock sa first quarter. Gives
Sarap
it to
panoorin
Omotan.
ng pag-aanong kapulong liwag eh.
Timak Omotan from the outside. 5 seconds. And Benil can't score. Hindi naabot itong huling tira ng Arellano. Hindi aware itong si Omotan. And at the end of the first quarter, surprisingly, Arellano Chiefs leading against Benil Blazers 23-11. Magbabalik ang NCAA Season 100.